Oh, you've got something here.
Never. Food. So today we're going to make my pavlova.
You said you are the queen of pavlovas.
Well, that's what my friends have named me.
Oh, that's good. Take it in.
Yeah, I own it. I do own it. I'm just being humble, that's all. So basically it's 2 ingredients. Room temperature, fresh eggs, egg whites, and caster sugar. 50 grams of sugar to every large egg white.
Okay.
Do 12.
Out.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, shall we get cracking?
Yeah.
You just need to whisk it until the eggs just create soft peaks. The first tip that I've got, and I learned this from a pastry chef actually, is to warm the sugar.
This is where the science comes in. This is one of the things I love about baking.
Exactly. I mean, look at that. Okay, so now it's just the piling on. I mean, it's just
Oh my
look
gosh!
at this.
Awesome.
I know. Pop it in the oven, 130.
Yes.
I think for a big one like this would probably take about 3 hours to get the right marshmallowness center. There we go, Siba, all yours.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
What are your toppings?
Okay, I love using yogurt. Coconut yogurt is just magical with this. And then I've roasted some strawberries, so they're quite jammy. It'll just fold in beautifully and it'll be a bit like a grown-up eaten mess. Then I've got some beautiful coconut.
Can I go?
Yeah, absolutely. And that
need
is
to
my
eat.
pavlova. I need a spoon there. Okay. I can always offer you this one. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's it.